Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two drones with cameras, the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, camera quality is of utmost importance. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture stunning aerial scenery and catch every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. On the other hand, the drone with camera also boasts an HD 1080p camera that can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. With its upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning technology, this drone ensures stable and high-quality shots. Nobody likes a short flight time, especially when you're exploring vast landscapes. The Holy Stone HS440 drone comes equipped with a powerful modular battery that provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without worrying about battery life. Similarly, the drone with camera also offers a commendable flight time of approximately 25 to 30 minutes. With two rechargeable batteries included, you can enjoy a worry-free flying experience for a longer duration. Portability is a key factor for those who love to take their drones on the go. The Holy Stone HS440 drone excels in this category with its foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry. It even comes with a carrying case, ensuring hassle-free transportation from one place to another. Similarly, the drone with camera is designed to be lightweight and foldable, allowing you to conveniently fit it in your pocket or backpack. It's the ultimate travel buddy for capturing amazing aerial shots wherever you go. Overall, the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the drone with camera both received positive reviews from customers. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. And there you have it, folks. In today's comparison between the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the drone with camera, we witnessed some tough competition. Both drones offer impressive camera quality, generous flight times, and excellent portability. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you in making a smarter buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until then, stay smart and happy shopping.